Good morning. This is Cheryl A. Major with ThinStrongHealthy.com, and I'm making myself a special breakfast this morning because I feel like it. I feel like something a little different. So what I've done is, in a pan with a little olive oil, I've added some of the wild rice and bean mixture that I make, and all these recipes that I'm going to talk about are on my website at ThinStrongHealthy.com in the recipe section. So I've added wild rice mixture, I've added fresh chopped spinach, and I've added a bunch of veggies that I roasted the other day. I just chopped them up. They're carrots and celery, a few onions, Brussels sprouts, and asparagus. And once that's heated up, I am going to add this, which is an egg mixed with almond milk, and what you see on top there is a little nutmeg. And if you have never tried nutmeg in your eggs, I highly recommend it. Just a little bit. It really adds a great flavor. So I'm going to go ahead and add this, and then I will show it to you when it's done. And we're just checking on our dish here. I decided to add a little avocado. I love avocado, and it gives you healthy fat. They're good omega-3s. And when you add it to something that's warm or put something warm on top of it, it makes it so amazing. It makes it soft and delicious, even more so than it is naturally. So I'm going to cover this for a few more minutes, and then we'll check it again. And here's my finished breakfast. I flipped half of the mixture, and so it's got kind of a rice crust, I guess you'd call it, although it's not real crispy. And you can see the beautiful avocado there. I have some fresh fruit on the side. I've got berries and some fresh mango, and if I wanted to, I could have some fish or some other kind of protein. But actually in this mixture with the rice and beans in the mixture, and also, believe it or not, avocado has some protein as well as healthy fat, especially if you scrape that dark green flesh of the avocado near the shell. That is the highest in protein. So this is my breakfast. I'm going to sign off now and go enjoy it. I hope you'll try this. If you have any questions, please email me, Cheryl at ThinStrongHealthy.com, and you can get recipes and all kinds of things on ThinStrongHealthy.com in the recipes section or the resources section. I'll be talking to you soon.